Welcome to DJ TV.
Here Kenneth Okonkwo bulala INEC until we not fit defend their own mago they do for election wey they do.
Correct people, we greet you now. Welcome now to this our channel DJ TV, where ogbonge story and update dey happen o. My people, if una never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una no waste time again o. Make una rush now, make una go subscribe o, and also turn on that notification bell so that anytime we drop any update like this, una go dey notified gbagam. And our Facebook page, make una follow us and make una like. My people, make we quickly run enter the story and updates wey we carry come for una this time around. Make una watch.
My people, Kenneth Okonkwo don come out again. He don talk as in una know as him dey talk him own o. As intelligent lawyer wey him be. No be small rubbish him give INEC yesterday o after the court sitting yesterday. INEC wey be say dey open case, dey still close the case the same yesterday based on say dem no get anything to defend. Even with the witness kpakpa wey dey carry come court, that one sef come fall their hand the more by exposing more about wetin happen and wetin play for the election wey dey say dey do. My people, no be small thing o. Kenneth Okonkwo don come out now come analyse how the whole issue take go for inside court yesterday, how INEC take open case, still close the same case that same day. Because they really get wetin they wan defend, they first the matter for still dey on, therefore they bring different witnesses come and evidence take defend their case. But no, as they open the case like this, they still close the case based on say they don't have anything to defend. Anyway, my people, now need to see this video. Now as people dey talk now, make una watch am from the beginning to the end. E no long o, make una hear how he say analyse everything and wetin he tell INEC. Make una watch.
And then going forward, what do we think that it should be done to get things right? So that's general opinion, sir.
Okay. Today, INEC eventually opened their case. And today again, they closed their case. Meaning they don't have much to say about what happened. 176,000 polling units. No result was uploaded in real time on election day. That is the whole summary of it today. And the INEC ICT Deputy Director admitted that he could not read some of the results uploaded on IREF because they were blurred, and he told the court so. And that was after he had admitted that the result on EC8A must be identical with the result uploaded on IREF, by his own words. So we saw in court the identicality of blood results from INEC. So that was what our team was saying. We now wonder how they were able to declare results with blurred results that were unreadable. So far, we ended our case as you knew it 1 week before now, under extreme difficulties, because we had to fight and labor to even get the documents that we are entitled to by INEC. It is unfortunate that we had to subpoena.
Hey, my people, not be small thing though. When looking at these lawyers, the way they talk, the way they laugh, una go know say this so matter weakness wey INEC carry come like this. It really sweet their belle well as it dey. My people. Anyway, then the update will carry come like this so make una drop na comment and say na reasonable, and make una no forget to like and share. Una do well. See you in our next video.
So far the proceeding is moving on, and by tomorrow the second and third respondents will open their case, and let's see how it will proceed.
So what's the implication?
Well, you know, when they try to use nomenclature to confuse people, it is obvious. The summary of the whole thing, whether you say performance test, vulnerability test, whatever you want to say, was that there was a problem. And there ought not to have been a problem for an institution that took 400 billion naira to organize an election, which they tested before the election, and they confirmed everything was sound. How can you talk about technical glitch when the House of Rep, there was no technical glitch, the Senate, there was no technical glitch, and somehow you're saying that in the presidency there was technical glitch? Let me ask you a question. Does a machine have the capacity to choose the election that it will glitch on? It's only a human being that can take that decision. And I want to end on this. Thank you.
Hey, my people, no be small thing o. This case Kenneth Okonkwo don talk again o, don talk all wetin play o. How im take give INEC wotowoto wey INEC no fit take defend their own case again o. Open case the same day close am, nothing to defend. Anyway, my people, the update wey carry come for una like this be this. So how una reason, how una see am, make una write am for the comment section, and make una no forget to like and share. Una do well. See you all in our next video. DJ